do in terms of teaching is a chance to use experiential learning. And experiential learning has many names, project-centered learning, and that's a chance to get out of the classroom and get hands-on working on a project. And one of our examples of this is a solar car project. We've been able to travel the world. We've raced on 4 continents. We've raced against Ford Australia. We've raced against sort of the best of the engineering schools and been able to go head-to-head with them. And so here's a chance for us to go out and show what we're made of, let our light shine, and get out there and really do hands-on work. We also are trying to do more experiential learning both inside and outside the classroom with project-centered learning. And an example of that is the wind test tower we recently put out this past spring. We had the idea that maybe there's enough wind on campus or near campus to put up a 1.6 megawatt wind turbine. But before you're going to spend a couple $1 million, you need to test it out, make sure that the data proves out that there is enough wind. And so Rich Chatterton, one of our students, spent winter quarter developing a plan, working with the faculty to put a wind test tower up. And so on the North Farnham location, right across from the gatehouse, you can see a 197-foot test tower. And we're going to be testing the wind there for about 2 years to find out, is there enough wind to erect a wind turbine that could generate up to a third of the electricity needed for the college. Another example of our students being able to let their light shine off campus is when our students do senior research projects. We've had 2 chemistry majors in the past few years. Actually, after doing their research, submitted it and was accepted to the national conference at Argonne National Laboratory. So these students went up and presented their work at a symposium up in Chicago. And so again, this is an opportunity to do great, world-class type research and then present it to their peers at a national conference. I think one of the most important things for me is learning scientific thinking. It's very important that we don't just have critical thinking, but we actually have scientific thinking that is logical, it's precise. And as a school for Christian Scientists, I think it's critical that our students understand the importance of scientific thinking and also how to effectively think scientifically. And I know that we will challenge our students at the same level or even higher than what you're going to see at any other school or university. We have professors in the chemistry department, both are full professors, PhDs, and really know the subject well and care about the students. And so it's going to be rigorous. I mean, just come to my class sometime. You can ask any of my students. We're going to be rigorous. You're going to learn the material, but we're going to learn it more in a friendly, cooperative way. It's not us versus them. One of the key things that Mrs. Morgan says in Education at the Principia is that they need to make sure the students see the teachers as their friend. Now, as a friend, that doesn't mean somebody who's easy with them. It's the lifelong friend who loves them too well to excuse error. And so what I want to be is the lifelong friend, but I'm going to love you so much that it could be tough love too.